If you're feeling stressed, tense, or can't calm down, join me in this guided somatic practice to release stress and calm your nervous system. Let's begin. We're going to go ahead and just tune into the breath while you slowly rub your hands together. Take a long exhale. As you're seated, notice your hips are centered, not left, not right, right into the center. Your feet are on the floor, tall spine, light shoulders. Longer exhales, deeper inhales, either in through the nose or the mouth, all is well. Good. Relaxing through the shoulders and the jaw. As you rub your hands together, activating the whole brain, left and right hemisphere of the brain, whole body. This is energizing, oxygenating. Release with a sigh, letting go as you exhale. Good. We're going to go ahead to make a gentle fist, and we're going to tap around your thymus. Dissolve stress and tension out of your chest while boosting your immune system. This is oxygenating and energizing. We're going to take a full breath and release with a long sound. Taking your arms, opening up your chest, your spine, light around the neck and the shoulders, and just opening up and breathing, expanding open. Release with a sigh, release with a sound or a sigh, letting go. A deeper inhale. A long exhale. Good. Gently bringing your fingertips up toward the shoulders. We're going to twist your spine left to right. Slowly twisting left to right, relaxed and rhythmic. Twisting the spine relaxes the body and mind. It calms the nerves, calms your nervous system. You can close your eyes, go at a slow, relaxed, and rhythmic pace, left to right. Tall spine, light shoulders and jaw. Breathing in and out. Good. This is energizing, and yet it will be really peaceful energy up and down the spine. Getting your energy to flow freely, opening up. Rhythm and repetition is soothing and renewing, calming. Light shoulders and jaw. 3, 2, 1. Good. Resting for a second here. Taking your hands, massage the back of your neck, head, and shoulders. Good. Right over the back of the neck and head, your brainstem, your spine, the link between the body and mind. Good. Inducing peace and ease through your physiology. It's calming, it's soothing. Right over the neck, the shoulders. Out, right over acupressure points, transforming tension into chi, healthy energy, vitality. Good. Take your fingertips up around the top of the head and just massage all points on the head. Top of the head, side of the head. Take your fingertips behind your ears, tiny circles behind your ears. Long exhales, light shoulders and jaw, relaxing the muscles as you breathe with ease. Taking your fingertips, put them inside, and go ahead and explore inside your ears. There's all the acupressure points, whole brain, whole body, synchronize, communicating with greater ease, as well as stimulating your vagus nerve. Calming, soothing, relaxing, all points of the ears, your earlobes. Good. Massaging back around the neck, head, and shoulders. Good. Keep one hand in the back of your neck and one hand to the forehead, and just relax here and breathe. You can close your eyes. Calming and soothing. Grounding and peaceful. Noticing the effects that you created. Full breath in and out, relaxing through the shoulders and jaw as you exhale. Feeling your feet on the ground, your hips are centered. In just a few minutes, you calmed your nervous system. Do this every single day and you will train your nervous system for peace. Your body will know peace and you'll live more presently in your power.